Hey lawn lovers, noticing weird, dusty patches turning your grass orange or brown? Don't panic. Rust disease is sneaky, but we're here to help you fight back and restore that lush green turf. Today's tips are straight from the must-have lawn care guide. Lawn Care Simplified, identifying and treating common lawn diseases and pests. It's packed with proven tips and strategies, and the link is mentioned in the description if you want to explore it further. Symptoms of rust disease. Rust disease often starts with small, pale yellow spots on grass blades that quickly turn into an orange or reddish-brown powder. You might notice 1. Rusty pustules, a dust-like residue on your fingers if you brush the grass. 2. Yellowing and thinning. As it progresses, leaves may turn yellow and die off, creating patchy areas. 3. Discolored blades. Affected grass can look scorched or dull, losing that healthy green appearance. Causes of rust disease. Rust is caused by the fungus Puccinia graminis, thriving under these conditions. Warm, humid weather, usually 68 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Excess shade and poor airflow where moisture lingers. Stressed or underfed grass, making it more susceptible. Thick thatch, which traps moisture and provides a breeding ground for spores. Spread through wind, foot traffic, or lawn equipment, as spores can easily hitch a ride. Treatments for rust disease. If you've already spotted that orange dust, here's how to fight back. 1. Mow and bag clippings. Removing infected debris prevents further spore spread. 2. Disinfect equipment. Clean mowers, rakes, and other tools with bleach or alcohol-based solutions. 3. Balanced fertilization. Use a suitable fertilizer with slow-release nitrogen to bolster grass health. 4. Water early. Allow the lawn to dry before evening to discourage fungal growth. 5. Aerate and dethatch. Improving airflow in the soil reduces moisture buildup. 6. Apply fungicides. Look for products containing active ingredients like azoxystrobin, propiconazole, or mancozeb, and always follow label directions. For a deeper dive into rust and other common lawn troubles, be sure to check out Lawn Care Simplified, identifying and treating common lawn diseases and pests. The link is mentioned in the description for your convenience. With the right knowledge and a few proactive steps, you'll be well on your way to a vibrant, rust-free lawn.